Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use TikTok Shop with Woocommerce. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as of right now, we are on our TikTok Seller Center. And in here, you can see in here the apps and services. Now click on the App Store right here. And when you try to head over and click on the search app or partners, so if you try to search in here for Woocommerce or just Woo, you won't be able to see in here the Woocommerce itself. So in that way, you won't be able to actually integrate this particular application through the TikTok app itself. But you can actually integrate it using the Woocommerce to TikTok instead of TikTok to Woocommerce. Even if you head over to e-commerce management, you should be able to see it right here. You shouldn't be able to see it. So let's head in here to our actual tab wherein I actually created a site on Woocommerce, and I actually have in here a site connected to WordPress as well. So it's a Woocommerce and a WordPress. So this is my shop. I called it TikTok Store 1. And then if we want to actually connect my TikTok shop to Woocommerce, what I can do is I can head over in here on the extensions. Now, once I have clicked on that, I should be able to see in here this one. Click on this browse extensions, and then this will open in here a new page where I can see these WooCommerce extensions. So I already logged in itself on my actual store, and then the next thing we need to do is to click on the search extensions. So in here, let's search in here for TikTok. Then once you have searched for that, you can see this one, which is the TikTok, wherein you can sync your catalog, create TikTok accounts to showcase and sell your products, and install a TikTok pixel. So let's click on this one. And you can also see that it's actually free to download. So you can head over and click on this add to store right here. It's free to install, so don't worry. And then this will load like this in just a few seconds. And then in here, you just need to check it out. As you can see, it's $0 because it's free. Now you just need to enter in here your first name as well as your last name. So I just head over and filled up my billing address. And in here, you can see in here the last case, wherein they will ask you how they want to use your product. So you can choose store owner, developer, or others right here. So you can also uncheck this one if you want and click on this place free order. And then once you have done that, this will load like. After the loading process has been done, you should be able to see in here the order details as well as the invoice and all of this. Click on this add to store option right here in order to successfully add TikTok from in here. So as you can see, it's added in here, just your TikTok store or your store that you want to install this into. And as you can see, there's the installation process. And what you can do is you can just head over and connect your particular site to woocommerce.com. So head over and click on this reconnect and click on connect store. And then once you have done that, this will load like this in order to connect, and then this will install itself. If you're still having trouble with that, you can just download and install this manually, and then this will open in here a new store. And then in here, you can just head over and download this particular TikTok to your WooCommerce. And then as you can see, this will download that. Now, once you have downloaded that, scroll down right here, and then from in here, click on plugins. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this particular plugin. So you can browse any plugin that you want for this one. If you head over and browse on this, it will open your WordPress plugin. We can actually head over and then search in here for TikTok itself. So if you're unable to actually install it automatically, you can actually click on this TikTok right here in order to actually install this plugin. Head over and click on this download right here. And then this will download this particular thing to your actual WooCommerce. Now, in order to add this, you need to head over in here to woocommerce.com/my dashboard right here. And then once you have head over to that, you should be able to see this thing. So what you can do is this the dashboard, click on this my subscriptions, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the active subscriptions that you have. So we have this ones right here, and here you can see the TikTok. Click on this add to store right here, and then this will load your WooCommerce, and then this will enable this installation. So as you can see, it's installing, and if it's still encountering the error, then you can head back as well on your actual WooCommerce site right here. And now, once you have actually integrated your TikTok shop to your actual WooCommerce site, next thing you need to do is to make sure that you actually add the products that you have on your TikTok shop right here into your WooCommerce. So in here, on this WooCommerce that I actually have this particular product that we have right here. So these products right here are just placeholders that we have. So on my TikTok shop instead, I have this particular products that is actually not the same to the WooCommerce. So I have this tree right here. So if I want to actually add these things into my WooCommerce, what I can do is I can actually head over and click on import right here. And then you can actually upload or import files from this USB file. So into here, let's head over and select the product that we want. Then after that, click on this bulk action. And then in here, you can see this bulk listing and all of these things right here, as well as 6 product from other platforms. Click on this sync right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see these things right here. So since we already integrated our actual app on your WooCommerce, we should be able to see WooCommerce right here. Now in here, you can also have the option in order to actually export this one if you want. So let's select this right here. And then after that, you can head over and then actually set this one as a product and export it. So you can, in here, you can bulk edit it and all of the things you have. But in here, head over and click on choose file. And then just select the file that you have right here. As you can see, it's been added. So click on continue. And then once you have done that, this will load like this. And you can also import the handle that you want. Let's put in here the name, and let's import in here the product category. So let's put in here and import it in here. So the product category is actually right in here. So just edit out the things that you want edited. And then once you have done that, click on this run the importer. As you can see right here, this will run the importer, and this will actually import the products on your actual WooCommerce. So as you can see, 9 products has been imported. Click on this view products right here. And then as you can see right here, products has been imported as well right here, and you can edit it out however you want. So for example, let's try to edit it out. You can click on this right here, or you can click on that specific product and click on this edit option. And then once you have clicked on that, it should be able to show you this, wherein you can enter in here the new product name or the new product description, as well as the product data that you have right here, attributes, regular price, and sale price that you have, as well as short product description. So for this one, they don't have actually this AI, since right with AI is actually only available if you actually have 100 characters long description for this one. So you can also add in here product tags, like for example, let's put in here clothes and click on add. And then this will be added just like this. You can also add a brand that you have represented for this one. And in here, you can head over and then just publish this right here. And you can also edit out the inventory for this particular product that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below. And if you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.